Hey, welcome back to my channel. Gates TCKWP257A engine timing belt kit with water pump. Gates timing belt component kits with water pump. TCKWP257A timing belt component kits with water pump. 2006 to 2004 Toyota Sienna V6 3.3L timing component kit. Country of origin, United States. The package height of the product is 3.75 inches. The package length of the product is 12.36 inches. The package width of the product is 7.78 inches. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.